GMC's crossovers are shrinking. Following the redesign of the mid-size Acadia, which saw its wheelbase and overall length decrease by more than half a foot each, the redesigned 2018 GMC Terrain's wheelbase and overall length contract by 5.2 and 3.0 inches. The prior Terrain straddled the line between the compact and mid-size crossover subclasses, but the second generation model now sits firmly in the compact category. Despite its smaller footprint, the svelte 2018 Terrain is a far better vehicle than its blocky predecessor. Riding on an all-new chassis shared with the equally fresh Chevrolet Equinox, the Terrain is both lighter and nimbler. This top-of-the-line Terrain Denali with all-wheel drive was a noteworthy 342 pounds less porky than a previous generation Terrain Denali V6 or that we tested. Turbo power. Unlike the previous model, which was offered with either a lethargic 182 HP inline-4 or a thirsty 301 HP 3.6-litre V6, the new Denali comes exclusively with a 252 HP turbocharged 2.0-litre inline-4. The most powerful choice among the Terrain's 3-engine Linux Terrains employ other turbo 4 bangers, either a 170 HP 1.5-litre or a 1.6-litre diesel with 137 horsepower and 240 lb-ft of torque. The 2.0T trades the outright grunt of the old V6 for a more tractable power urban and a torque peak that rides a 260 lb-ft wave from 2500 to 4500 rpm. The V6 needed 4800 rpm in order to access all 272 lb-ft of its torque.